Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be discussing our question answers of our poem I Am the Land. The main which we will be gonna discuss in this video is understand the poem. In that our first question is, who do you think is the speaker of the poem? The answer of this question is the land or the earth is the speaker of the poem. Our second question is I wait. In the line one suggests the feeling of option A annoyance, option B patience, option C disgust. Choose the right mode of the speaker. The answer of this question is option B patience. Our third question is in line 2 you is repeated. Do you think it refers to the same person? Who do you think that is? The answer of this question is yes, it refers to the same person. The person is the man who exploits the land, which is the earth. Our fourth question is bring out the contrast between the reader and the speaker as suggested in the lines 4, 5 and 6. The answer of this question is the contrast between the reader and the speaker are a man and the earth. Number 1, man shouts, earth lie patiently. Number 2, man buys, earth waits. Number 3, man made holes, the earth would stare. Our fifth question is muddy holes refers to option A virtual holes in the land, option B intention of the speaker, option C commotion created by the reader. The answer of this question is option A virtual holes in the land. Our sixth question is what does the phrase car lot I stare suggest? Try to imagine and draw if you can the picture suggested. The answer of this question is the phrase car lot I stare suggests the perception as if the earth were staring with the lights of the car parked on it. Our seventh question is the poem introduces some types of people and things. Some actions associated with them are given below. Classify them appropriately as suggested in the poem. The actions are chokes, shoots, waits, shouts, sings, rejoices, destroys, plants, dances, tramples, grows, says he own, face the challenge, kill. The answer of this question is the actions which come under the heading the land are waits, grows, chokes, face the challenge, kills. The actions which come under the heading a common man or a child are plants, shouts, says he own, rejoices, tramples, sings. The actions which are gonna come under the heading a war, mongerer are shoots, destroys, kills. Our last question, that is eighth question of this poem, is pick out the lines from the poem that expresses the self-assertion of the speaker. The answer of this question is the self-assertion of the speaker is you cannot put a fence around the planet Earth.